Hey dear creative mind, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you are here. Today we are diving into one of the most stylish and functional detail in fashion design. I will be showing you step by step how to sew it clean and professionally. So whether you are looking to elevate your pieces or sharpen your sewing skills, this is one detail you will definitely want to master. And don't forget to drop a comment and also subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. So yeah, now after I've done the piping for this design, I just fold it to iron and get a middle line. Then yeah, now I'll show a brief preview on how to fix the placket. So just watch through and see. So yeah, now I head on to install the placket, and do ensure that while sewing it, you sew just 0.4 inch at each side of the placket, you understand? Be careful, make sure you place the placket at the middle line, just where you ironed. So after that, I turn the other part so that I can sew the smaller placket here. So then I measure it 7.5 inch at least for the highest length, 7.5 inch. Then I will still sew 0.5 inch all through. And then here now, after I'm done sewing it, I have to go to the table to iron it. So that to make it straight, all this squeeze sign showing here, I need to straighten the iron. So after I'm done ironing it, then I flipped it over. As you can see, it looks straight. Then I just notched it at the end of the sewing. I just notched it close to the sewing line, you understand? Then I trim off the excesses. Turning it over, then I have to notch the smaller piping there. The upper part, I need to notch it. After sewing it, then I notch the upper part because to help me to be able to turn it well. So now I turn it to sew it now. So watch through and see how I did it. You need to be careful while sewing this side. So just follow it carefully, just as you're seeing it, gradually, and observe where I ended the sewing. It's just at where I notched it. So just observe the diversion there. As can you see it? That's the notch part. So I just shift it a bit to sew it out. Then after sewing it, I took out the notch point. Now I'll sew it together with the smaller placket, because this will help it look neat inside of the knit. It will look neat, you understand? So I head on to the table to do the ironing work. Basically in placket designs, you have to be friendly with your iron, because the ironing would help it to look straight and neat, you understand? So yeah, I just ironed the smaller placket I just sewed now. So as you can see it now. Then the bigger side of the placket, I ironed it too. It will help the sewing to be straight, so it won't show any rough part in the design. So just watch closely. Then yeah, I fixed the hemming gum. The hemming gum is just to enable you to be able to sew a free and neat stitch on the placket. So watch closely and see how I will fix the pockets too after gumming this part. So in order to place the pocket, I measured 9 inch for the length of the pocket. So just watch closely how I placed it. Then for the side inch, I just 1.25 inch I measured there. That's a bit far from the placket, you understand? So after ironing it, I flip it again to iron it inward because most of the times ironing it at the top alone won't really help the hemming gum to gum perfectly. So that's why I mostly turn it back around to iron it again. And just watch closely and see how I place the hemming gum at the placket again to iron it so that it will hold firm the smaller placket inward, you understand? So now moving on to the sewing aspect of this, I flipped it around. Then here now, before I sew it, I bend down the placket, the smaller placket, before sewing it. So watch closely. And yeah, I'm sewing it using tiny stitch so that it will look beautiful and smart, you understand? So just observe how I sew it around. And this side, you need to be very careful while sewing it. For those of you that have not yet watched the previous tutorial I showed on how I created this placket and pocket, do ensure you go back to the former video. I did a tutorial 1 and tutorial 2 on that. Just make sure you watch it. This one is just basically how I sewed the placket, how I installed it, you understand? So that one will help you. So thank you guys for watching, and do ensure that you like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you guys in the next tutorial.